Hey! My name is Saturn, and I'm going to show you how you can download Andi Pogs Remastered Skies 3. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Enjoy! So first you have to open Discord and go to the official Brick Rigs Discord server which I linked down below. So first you have to open the channel called Maps and Mods Uploads. There you have to find the mod. After you found the mod, just click on the mod and you'll see the download link on the right hand side. Here is the download link button thingy. If this window pops up, just click the blue button. Here you have to click on the blue download button. Then this window will appear. But don't worry, just click the gray button which says, Download anyways. Now we wait until it finished downloading, which went quite quick. Now just open the downloaded file and extract it via WinRAR which is linked down below. Then open the extracted folder and look for these files which you can see on the video. If those files aren't there, download it again. Next, open Steam, go to Library, Brick Rigs, right-click on Brick Rigs, then Manage, Browse Local Files. Then you have this folder in front of you, then click on the Brick Rigs folder, then Mods. If you for some reason don't see a Mods folder, just create one. But make sure you write Mods correct. Now to the WinRAR part. Just click the link down below or search WinRAR in Google. Then click the first link and download it. After you've downloaded it, just execute it and install it on your device. I hope I helped y'all with that, and with that, see you next time. Bye. After that just drag and drop the mod file into the mods folder. For me it says replace since I already downloaded it.